today is 6th November and we are at Cherrapunji. So yesterday night there was a huge traffic jam at Shillong, so it took us quite a while, almost like an hour to just cross Shillong, the city. So after that it was a nice ride from Shillong to Cherrapunji, but most of the ride we had done it in the dark, so we are not sure the views. But what I expected was Cherrapunji to be something like a forest area or something like that, but this is completely different. You can see behind me, it's completely a flat ground or a peak of a mountain. It's a flat top on the mountain, so I don't see even a single tree here. Everything is bushes and grasslands. So this is what is my understanding about Cherrapunji. So the view looks good from here. So this is the guest house where we are staying. It's a there it is, Lailika Rain. So if you can read, that's the homestay we are staying in. It's a nice place, a cozy place. So these are all our bikes that are parked here, and some are staying in the house next to this, across the road behind me. Okay, so today's major attraction is we are going to the Root Bridge. It is also known as the double-decker bridge, natural bridge. So I think we have to ride around 12 kilometers from here to reach the base of the trekking. So it is like we have to ride for 12 kilometers and then start our trekking for another 2.5 hours. It's a 2.5 hours trek to the road bridge. Hope to see it. Hope it will be worth it. But the photo, if I see the pictures in the Google, it's surely worth it. Let's see how it treats us. Bye for now. So currently we are at the starting point of the Living Road Bridge in Meghalaya. We are coming in Mahindra Adventure. So basically we are getting down the Dwaki, not Dwaki, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our guide. 14, so 2 more to come, 15, 16.
Okay, 14. 16.
So this is our guide. What's your name?
Manbha.
Manbha.
Yes.
So totally we have around 2000 steps to get down. And total kilometers, 3 kilometers.
3 kilometers.
And when was the step built?
Step 2014.
2014. Before that, how you used to trek?
Government making 2014. 14 of 16.
14.
Complete 16.
Complete 16. Started in 2014 and completed in 2016.
Yes.
So it takes around 2 hours to get down and 2.5 to 3 hours to climb. So this is the stairs that we have to take down, and once you go down and down and down and down, you take this path down and you'll reach that village. Can you see that village? That is Nongtumai village. And you have homestays there if you want to stay, but you need to carry all your luggages till there using these steps. There are totally something around 7,000 steps up and down. You can So there is a cave and a single decker bridge. I think we are going to single decker bridge. So I think for now we have covered around 2,500 steps getting down. Climbing up is always a challenge. So basically this is a single route bridge, and I'm walking over the single route bridge. So it looks something like this. So this is the single route bridge. You can feel the tensions. It was built by the tribal here to travel across the river. Towards Cave Arakhap. How do you spell this? Arkhamau. So this is our guide who will help us to reach there. This is the route that we are taking. Enter this part. It smells dirty. So this is how it looks. Okay. Oh, there is nothing much. It's basically what we say. Oh, they have closed the entrance after this. Oh, you can. Irappa. So there is stairs to climb up, and I think it will reach on top. There is nothing much. There are some bats. Yeah, you can hear the sound. Okay, so let's head out. Nothing much to do. Iri, one ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಂದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಓಡಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Now we have to go walk to double decker bridge at Longtuwai. No, double decker naam? Nauriat village, yes, sorry. Walk. One-way trip takes around 1.5 to 2 hours. Climbing up would be another 2.5 to 3 hours. So it's always difficult. But they are constructing a new bridge. I don't know whether it's operational or not. I need to check. This is a climbing path. We have to climb that. So behind me is the famous double-decker route bridge. This is completely natural. It is also called as a living route bridge. So that's how it looks. So that is a route bridge. That is Madan, Sandeep Singh, Abhi, Vasu and Rajneesh. So that's the route bridge. It's also called as a living route bridge, built by the local to cross this river during peak seasons. So this is the river and the waterfalls over here. the lower deck of the road bridge. Another 3,700 steps to get down and climb. I think another 1,500 steps to climb before I reach the parking lot. Already the heat is killing and I'm already sweating like hell. It's already 3:20, so I should be on top by 4, I guess. Hope for the best. Thank you. Time is around 3:40. I've reached the top, so it should have taken me around 1 hour 15 minutes to reach the top.